What's up, everyone? So in today's video I'll be installing Millennium Sidekicks and the Millennium seats to my 2025 tracker boat. It's a 195 Tournament Edition. Sweet looking boat. Hopefully the lawn mowing in the background don't bother you guys too much. Yeah, but there's the seats right there. There's the Sidekicks, and it fits a 3/4 inch plate. If you have a 3/4 inch plate, you're good to go. And I believe all the trackers do. All right, we're gonna hook these up and see how they look. All right, let's put this together. I was gonna do a video on assembling it, but it went so smooth. It's like, it's not hard. You guys can do it. Anyways, a 3/4 inch plate, slide it in, tighten it down, just like that. You take one side, slide it over, the other one. I'm trying to do it with one hand, but there you go. You can tighten it up. You can move it forward, backwards, out. Both sides do that. So again, I don't have it tight. I'm just doing this real quick to show you all. And these are really nice. Again, if you have don't have a lot of room up front, these things slide way in. So I'm talking, that's pretty tight. Loosen this back up. You can slide it way out like that. All right, we're gonna add the seats. Set you guys over here. And I'll tell you what, you talk about comfort. I've had these in my other boat, my other tracker boat that I had. This is the lazy boy in fishing. Put that out too far. All right, again, look at that. I'm telling you, you talk about comfort. This is nice. There's the other one. Plenty of, I mean, if you got enough width up here, there's plenty of room. You can add an umbrella if you wanted to. I'm telling you, you can't beat this. This is nice. Let's jump down and I'll show you guys what it looks like from outside the boat. All right, there you have it. Look how nice they look. Again, everything's still loose. I haven't got anything tightened. That's just what they look like. I just want to share that. They look good. They're comfortable, easy to assemble. The directions are really easy to read. And then it's like, a lot of times I fish by myself. So if that's the case, you can take these off and just use that centerpiece and put that chair right on top of that. I'll share that with you guys real quick as well. So I'm gonna set the camera down here, climb back at the boat. Like a lot of times I fish alone. We'll pull this off real quick. And you could take these off and just leave this centerpiece, and this should fit right down in there. So, just like that. So there you have it. You still got your comfortable chair. You can remove that. That just slides right up like it slid down. So real simple to move. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. I'm ready to go catch some crappie. Well, if you guys liked today's video, please hit that like and subscribe button. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the water. Fish on. Oh man, it's a nice slab. What a slab right here. Oh, I was showing you guys the live scope. Sat the camera up, turned it off. Catch this giant. Man, now that is a crappie. Wow. Look how thick that crappie is. Oh yeah. Dang, what a slab. Easy 1.5 pounds right here. Nice crappie. Fish on. Fish on. Oh, nice crappie. Big crappie, look at that. Nice crappie. I literally just sat back down, looked up, my rod's bent over. Man. Nice thick crappie again. Some big crappie now. Fish on, fish on. Oh, nice crappie. Oh, look at that crappie. And I tell you what, he just barely bit. I noticed my rod went limp a little bit. Now, when you drop it down, you have like a little, from the jigs and the weight, you have a little bit of bend in your rod. I see my rod tip come up a little bit. Look at that. Man. I got 3 fish in the live well that I would consider tournament fish. That is a big old crappie right there. Another nice thick crappie. Man, look at that. He covers my forearm. Easy. And it's not so much the length, it's the girth of these crappie, man. These crappie are so thick. Yes, he's over 13. That's like 3 today like that. Man, I can't imagine what a 15-inch crappie look like in here.